Welcome back. You guys made it through your first unit. Great job. We are going to be moving on to Unit 2, Session 1. Unit 2, I am so excited for you guys. We are going to be reading a novel, and it's one of my favorites, Stargirl. It's real short. It's an easy read. It's young adult. And it's a fun, lighthearted, inspiring novel. So I want you guys to go into this with a good attitude. I don't want you guys to say, oh, well, I don't like reading, so I'm just not going to do this, or I'm just going to have a poor attitude about this. This is a good, easy to read book that we can get a lot out of. So yeah, that's my soapbox about having a good attitude about starting a novel unit. So you'll see up here in the updates that the folder will be linked here. It will also be over here in materials. But what you will not click are the assignments over here. Why is that? Because they don't give you the full picture, and you need the full picture, especially during this unit, because there's going to be a lot of information, a lot of content that's going to be on the pages and not the assignments. One thing I do want you guys to do first is to look at the suggested pacing schedule. A few things to note is you're going to be reading this week pages 1 through 28. That is chapters 1 through 8. I'm going to be providing a PDF for you. The pages will always line up with a PDF. If for some reason you decide to rent the book, buy the book, get an audiobook somehow, obviously the pages aren't going to line up the same, but the chapters always will. So when you get to chapter 9 this week, you're going to stop. And you're going to do the assignments related to chapters 1 through 8 for this week. Another thing that I want you to know about the schedule this week is on Tuesday, Jeffco students, you will be map testing. Southwest E-School and Dolores students, you won't be testing with us, so don't worry about it. But if you are a part-time or full-time student at JVA and you are a Jeffco student, you will be testing with us on Tuesday at 12 o'clock. Mrs. Neville will be sending out the information for that. Please make sure that you are checking emails. If for some reason you don't get directions by like the end of the day on Monday, please let me know. I can let Miss Neville know. We'll get it sorted out. You'll notice that I didn't assign anything on Tuesday, or I didn't put anything on the schedule on Tuesday. That's because the map test will take about an hour. If you do want to work on Tuesday, great. That's totally up to you. But if not, just focus on the map test. You should still read on Tuesday if you aren't in a good place with the novel. So one thing I do want to note is that you see here in the introduction page that during this unit you're going to be doing an immersive study of characters. We're going to be focusing on characters with this novel. You're going to be reading 25 to 30 pages a week. That's 5 to 6 pages per weekday. I didn't even include the weekends on that. You can read 5 to 6 pages per weekday. That is not a difficult task. You guys can do it. You do it all the time when you're scrolling through, Twitter or Reddit or whatever you're on. You're reading hundreds of pages. You can read 5 to 6 pages of this novel. It's a fun novel. What's really fun about it is after you're done reading it, you can hop onto Disney Plus and watch the Disney Plus version of it. They just came out with it maybe a year or two ago. It's really cute. It's not the same as the book, I'll tell you that right now. But it's definitely worth a watch. So just a few things as we get started. Make sure that you are looking at the directions to the discussion, responding to at least 2 people. You will be reading the PDF, which I believe I have linked in several places. Here, linked here. Definitely linked here on this page. But again, the pages are going to be really important for you. If you're not reading the pages, you're obviously going to miss the link where Stargirl is. So make sure you're reading all the pages. You're going to be working through plot diagram each week. So this week, because we've only read the beginning, I only want you to worry about the exposition. There is a video on the previous page. You can look back at it, or I guess I should do this because I'm backwards. You can look back at it to get a refresher of what the plot diagram is. But you are only going to be worrying about the exposition this week. You'll include characters, setting, any necessary background information, and then you'll turn it in. You're not going to worry about the other points of the plot. If you're having any trouble making a copy of this document right here, check out what Mr. Self said about it. He's a smart guy. He will help you with the directions if you are having any trouble. So that's, I guess all the notable things. This exit ticket right here is set up like a quiz, but it's just to make sure. I just want to see if you and I are on the same page moving forward. If you're not understanding these basic things about the text, then we need to make sure that we talk before you move on to reading more of Stargirl. Please, please, please enjoy Stargirl. It's such a delight. It's such a wonderful book. Let me know if you have any questions. Have a great week.